The chapter introduces the story of Warren Buffett, highlighting his unique approach to money management and investing, which emphasizes patience, discipline, and a long-term perspective. This chapter explores how markets often deviate from rational behavior, leading to bubbles and crashes, and discusses the importance of understanding market psychology to make informed investment decisions. The chapter delves into the psychological factors that influence our attitudes towards wealth, including the role of fear, greed, and social status, and how these factors can impact our financial decisions. This chapter examines the unconscious biases and emotions that drive investor behavior, including confirmation bias, loss aversion, and the illusion of control, and discusses strategies for overcoming these biases. The chapter explores the psychology of savings, including the factors that influence our ability to save, such as self-control, impulsivity, and financial literacy, and discusses strategies for improving savings rates. This chapter discusses the importance of default options in investing, including the role of automatic enrollment and default investment portfolios, and how these defaults can influence investor behavior. The chapter examines the impact of fees on investment returns, including the effects of management fees, trading costs, and other expenses, and discusses strategies for minimizing fees. This chapter explores the psychological factors that contribute to debt, including the role of instant gratification, lack of self-control, and social pressure, and discusses strategies for managing debt. The chapter discusses the importance of financial literacy in making informed investment decisions, including the role of education, experience, and critical thinking, and highlights the consequences of financial illiteracy. This chapter examines the role of luck in investing, including the impact of chance events and random outcomes on investment returns, and discusses strategies for managing luck. The chapter discusses the importance of diversification in investing, including the role of portfolio diversification, asset allocation, and risk management, and highlights the benefits of a diversified investment portfolio. This chapter explores the benefits of long-term investing, including the role of compounding, dollar-cost averaging, and time diversification, and discusses strategies for implementing a long-term investment approach. The chapter discusses the importance of emergency funds in managing financial risk, including the role of liquidity, flexibility, and risk management, and highlights the benefits of having a well-stocked emergency fund. This chapter examines the role of inheritance in wealth creation, including the impact of family wealth, social status, and economic mobility on financial outcomes, and discusses strategies for managing inherited wealth. The chapter explores the negative consequences of wealth, including the effects of wealth on relationships, mental health, and overall well-being, and discusses strategies for mitigating these negative effects.